Standard 10 Math 2nd Chapter number 1 Similarity. In this chapter we have to study ratio of area of two triangles, basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, test of similarity, and etc. In 9th standard, we have studied congruent figure, similar figure. What is the difference between these two? Recall that two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. Two figures having the same shape and not necessary the same size are called similar figure. In this figure, now consider any two or more circle. Are they congruent? Since all of them do not have the same radius, they are not congruent to each other. Note that some are congruent and some are not, but all of them have the same shape. So they all are we call similar. Two similar figures have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Therefore all the circles are similar. That all the congruent figures are similar, but similar figure need not be congruent. In this photograph, there are three photos of unity statue, same shape but not size, and hence these are not congruent but they are similar to each other. In this, we will at the once say that they are the photographs of the same but are in the different size. Would you say that three photographs are similar? Yes, they are. This is the statement of similarity. Similarity means those figures have the same shape but need not be same size is called as a similar. Let us recall the statement the number A and B are in the ratio A upon B is also written as the number A and B are in proportion m as to n. We have studied before this standard the area of triangle is 1/2 into base into height. Ratio of area of two triangles. In the given figure, AD is perpendicular to the BC in the triangle ABC, and in triangle PQR, PS is perpendicular to the QR. Hence, in triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. And in triangle PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base. In this triangle, base and corresponding height are different. When we take the base, opposite vertex to the base, perpendicular from that vertex, that is corresponding height. Area of triangle ABC is nothing but 1/2 into base into height. In this figure, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into base BC into height AD. This is our equation first. In triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base QR into height PS. This is our second equation. We have to take the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. Hence, we have right here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, by equation first and second, 1/2 into BC into AD divided by 1/2 into QR into PS. 1/2 is a common, is the same, and is a multiply. Hence we can cancel that, and BC into AD upon QR into PS. Hence, here is our step. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. Hence, the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Base of triangle is suppose B1 and height is H1. Base of another triangle is suppose B2 and height H2. Then the ratio of their areas of that triangle we can write here B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Here is a base and height are variable. It may be base are equal or height will be equal. And third condition, it may be both base and height will be equal. Hence we have to study the condition. Condition first, if the height of both triangles are equal, then we have to learn what is the ratio of that area of that triangle. Area of that triangle ABC upon area of that triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. But we have given here the height of both triangles H is equal. Height of first triangle AD and height of second triangle PS is equal. Hence AD upon PS that will be cancelled. Hence BC into H upon QR into H. HH is a same factor. Hence that will be cancelled and ratio will be BC upon QR is nothing but base of that corresponding triangle first and second. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 upon B2. Condition first, if the height of both triangles are equal, then then the property will be the ratio of this area of the two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Condition second, if the bases of both triangle are equal, then in this figure triangle ABC base is AB and that triangle's height is H1, and second triangle ABP, in this triangle base AB and height H2. From these two triangle we can say that base AB is equal and common. Hence area of first triangle upon area of second triangle, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABP is equal to base AB into height H1 upon base AB into height H2. AB same factor, that will be cancelled. Hence area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABP is equal to H1 upon H2. From this condition second, the property will be the ratio of these areas of two triangles with the equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights.